Good day everyone, Ace here from Ace Space Astrophotography. In today's video I'd like to show you my new solar camera from Playerone Astronomy. It's the Apollo M mini camera. It has a monochrome sensor. It uses the IMX 429 chip. Its resolution is 1944 by 1472 at 2.8 megapixels, and the pixel size is 4.5 microns. Alright, so I'm going to pair this camera with my new telescope that I'm going to be getting hopefully in the next couple weeks. It's on back order. I ordered the Lunt 50mm solar scope, so hopefully that'll come in soon. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so I like Playerone's packaging. Really good packaging. Alright, so it comes with a dust blower bulb. ST4 guiding cable, a USB 3 cable, hex wrench, and here's the camera. So it comes with a dust cap and a 1.1¼ inch nose piece, and there's the sensor. Can make it out. Here's the sensor, and at the front of the camera, it has a sensor tilt plate. And the reason you want to have to tilt it off center is it helps to get rid of the Newton rings, which is one thing when you do solar astrophotography. You get these weird looking rings. Kind of hard to describe, but you get these weird looking like striations or whatever on the screen, but you'll see them when you do the photography. So to get rid of them, you just you tilt the plate here and it removes them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good day everyone, Ace here from Ace Space Astrophotography. In today's video I'd like to show you my new telescope I got. Never thought I'd get into solar imaging, but here it is. Took 3 months to get it. I've been waiting 3 months, ordered it back in January. So yeah, it's April 24th today. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Glad the telescope came in. I was hoping to have it in for the April 8th solar eclipse, but that never happened. Oh well. Alright, so let's get going. Okay, comes packed in, looks like 2 boxes. Full pile of packing peanuts here. Alright. Alright, so this is the Lunt LS50 hydrogen alpha solar telescope. It's the 50mm one. Alright, so some little bit of instructions, and it says yes you can observe the sun, which you can't do. There's always a warning on telescopes that don't look at the sun without proper filters, but this one you can. Alright. this looks really nice. Alright, so here's the Lunt 50mm solar scope. Alright, so I think these guys are out of Tucson, Arizona, if I remember correctly. Alright, so here's the optical tube. Here's the clamshell. It's for you attach the dovetail to the bottom here, and then the Lunt solar finder will go right here. Then you have the hydrogen alpha module with the tuner, and then it has a helical focuser right here. And then here's your, and I got the B600 blocking filter. So that's pretty well it. So the only thing is, right now, it took 3 months to get the scope, and I still don't have the dovetail bar for it. It's on back order, and the solar finder is on back order. So I'm going to have to see if I can get one of my, so I can test it out, I'm going to have to see if I can get one of my other dovetail bars that I have on one of my other small telescopes and see if that'll fit on there for now, so I can give this a try tomorrow. Alright, and that's it. Thanks for watching.